Otto's Tales. Today is September 11th. This book was made possible through a generous gift from an anonymous family. Roof! Roof! I'm Otto. Today is September 11th, a tragic day in our nation's history. It's important to never forget what happened that fateful day in 2001. We also remember how the country came together, strong and united, after facing a very sad and hard time. My best friend Dennis climbed to the top of the kitchen counter. "This is our big red fire truck," he said. "I'm on top of the ladder." "It can be our time machine," I barked. "There's lots to learn on our next adventure," Dennis said. "Let's roll." Zoom! We traveled back to New York City. "A lovely morning," I said. "Sure is pretty." A September day with the sky bright blue. Lots of people at work with lots of business to do. At the World Trade Center, we plan to spend several hours. There's a spectacular view atop the Twin Towers. A day like all others. We had nothing to dread. We had a snack in the plaza, and Dennis patted my head. But while we were busy eating and talking, very bad men with an evil plan were plotting. In a few short minutes, our world would be changed by 19 terrorists boarding 4 planes. They hated our country, its people so free. A world without America they wanted to see. Osama bin Laden was the bad man in charge. His group, called Al-Qaeda, had grown quite large. Just as we finished our yummy treat, a sound was heard by all on the street. "Look there," said Dennis. "What's that in the sky?" It was a plane flying low that should have been high. The plane hit one of the twin towers in a fiery flash. There was a huge explosion and a very loud crash. We all stood shocked, not knowing what to do. Was America under attack? No one quite knew. And just then, the other tower was hit by plane number 2. The first responders that arrived were so brave. They thought only of the people their efforts might save. The firemen ran toward the buildings as smoke filled the air. They displayed great courage, a trait very rare. There were people helping one another all over the place, young and old, men and women, of every background and race. So grateful were we for all the good people tried to do. We climbed into our fire truck, waved, and called out, "Thank you." "On to the White House," Dennis said, and zoom! We found ourselves inside an oval-shaped room. President George W. Bush spoke to the nation that night. He said, "This is a day when all Americans unite. The terrorists tried to scare us and get us to retreat, but our country is strong. America they can't defeat. Dennis chimed in. We saw so many people today doing good. Americans helping each other in any way they could. We returned to New York on another 11th of September. The city built the 9/11 Memorial to help us remember. The place where the towers once stood is now called Ground Zero. People were there to honor the fallen, both victims and heroes. There was so much at the memorial to learn and to see, like what happened that day at the Pentagon and on Flight 93. Dennis, I said, what the terrorists did was wrong. They tried to hurt us, Otto, but America is strong. Look, I said, pointing at those two beams of light. Dennis said, that's a shining memorial lit up every year on this night. It's September 11th, Otto. We call it Patriot Day. The tribute in light is an inspiring display. Then we hopped into our fire truck and once again, zoom! Sirens blasted, wee-oh, wee-oh, back to Dennis's room. That was a very important adventure, I said. Why's that, Otto? Well, I never knew about September 11th and why we must never forget what happened that day. Yes, said Dennis. America was attacked for being strong and free. The terrorists tried to destroy our way of life, but they did not succeed. And Americans came together even stronger after that terrible attack, I said. That's right, said Dennis. Many people acted like heroes that day. Our firefighters, police officers, and first responders displayed the best of America, land of the free and home of the brave. And we will never forget September 11th. God bless Patriot Day. God bless Patriot Day. We will never forget. Roof, roof.